So when we talk about metallic bonding, there are certain things that we have to keep in mind. Number one, only takes place in a metal. We know metals do not make bonds, right? Metals do not make bonds. So when we say only takes place in metal, it means in the metal itself, right? When we look, if you are able to find a piece of a metal, then the bonding that is keeping that all of that atoms together in that metal is actually the metallic bonding. Basically, this is how it is. All the atoms are held there. All the atoms that were there in a sodium. Let's say this is a big bar of sodium that you have found. Basically, all those atoms are sticking together because of the metallic bonding. And what is metallic bonding? Basically, metallic bonding is a forces of attraction between the forces of attraction between positively charged ions, or which were previously atoms, and the sea of electron. Where did the sea of electron came from? Actually, the electrons that were that used to leave the atom to form an ion, they form a sea of electron. It's sometimes it is like if you take a gel and you just throw a lot of marbles in it. So basically, gel is keeping all the marbles intact together, right? Right? It's keeping all the marbles, preventing them any of those marbles from moving out. So this sea of electron actually prevents any of these positively charged atoms to move out or go away or leave the sea of electron. You understand? This forms a lattice. This forms a lattice, metallic lattice. Okay, metallic lattice, a metallic lattice that is made from of positively charged ions surrounded by sea of mobile electrons, sea of localized delocalized mobile, sea of delocalized mobile electrons. This is what it is. Is this clear? So you say that forces of attraction between the positively charged metallic ion and the sea of electron is called metallic bonding. You understand this? Only takes place in metals. So what can happen if you look at sodium? Each sodium atom can give one electron. So if there is an equal number, if there are 10 sodium, if let's say if there are five, if there are five sodium atoms, let's make them some more. Seven. Nice. So seven atoms. Sodium. This is sodium bar that we have found. Seven atoms are there, and these seven atoms are going to give off an electron, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So they form a sea of electrons that is going to be surrounding these positively charged ions and keeping them together. If you look at the if you look at the other side, let's look at magnesium. There are seven same seven atoms, right? And if the magnesium is going to give off an electron, obviously it's not going to give off one electron. The electron that is going to give is two electrons, right? So there are going to be altogether how many electrons roaming around? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, right? Makes sense or no? Hmm?
G.
So which one is a stronger? So the magnesium forms has a stronger metallic bond among itself, among its atoms. Has stronger metallic bond. That is due to the larger number of electrons that it is submerged into. Larger number of sea of electrons that it is submerged into. Do you understand? So this is how metallic bonding can actually increase. All of these electrons are delocalized because they have moved out of these. They have moved out from their outermost shell. It only takes place in metals. This is how we see a solid bar of a metal because a lattice is formed. Solids are mostly lattice. A lattice is formed. The lattice is formed because of the fixed position of. So we know these atoms are fixed now. Do you understand? Fixed, fixed ions, and these electrons are what? Mobile. They can move around. So a perfect shape is also being maintained. Why is there perfect shape? Because of them being fixed. All right. A metal has a fixed shape due to fixed positively charged atoms, or you can say rather ions. Right? They're fixed. It is only the electrons that are mobile and moving around. So this fixation, this them being fixed at their one place, is actually making a lattice. Lattice, a metallic lattice is formed. All right. Not just a metallic lattice is formed, but also and lattices are what? Solids. Do you understand this point?
G.